Hello and welcome to Need2Know. In this video, we are going to share some ways to make money before the holidays. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Once more, the holidays are sneaking up on us. They may cause you tension, particularly if your finances are limited. It's stressful not knowing how you'll pay for gifts and all the festivities. Thankfully, there are ways to earn additional money before the holidays. Opportunities frequently do not end when St. Nick arrives. They can be used all year long to help you get by. Here are some suggestions on how to make money before the holidays. Let's begin. Number 5. Deliver meals for DoorDash. Working for a food delivery service that is available on demand is one of the best side business concepts to generate extra income for Christmas. Occupations such as being a courier offer flexible hours and are becoming more and more in demand as side jobs. Among the top delivery apps, DoorDash specializes in delivering meals from nearby eateries. As a Dasher, you deliver meals to consumers after picking them up from eateries. Although there is an option to cash out promptly for a modest cost, the platform only rewards drivers once each week. Even better, you are in charge of your own schedule. Drivers at DoorDash can make $23 per hour while making deliveries. Like other delivery professions, your base income and tips are entirely yours to keep. To deliver with DoorDash, you must be at least 18 years old, have a clean driving record, and pass a background check. Since more people are ordering meals as the holidays get closer, this is a fantastic opportunity if you need money for Christmas. Number 4. Deliver for Uber Eats. Driving with Uber Eats is a good option if you want to work with numerous courier applications and become an independent contractor to increase your income. The business, which has locations in more than 6,000 cities and 60+ countries globally, runs similarly to DoorDash. For Uber Eats, you must be at least 19 years old to drive. Your car must also have a minimum of 2 doors and be no more than 20 years old. Once you've been given the go-ahead by the service, you can start delivering meals as long as you have at least a year of driving experience, a valid government-issued ID, and auto insurance. The monthly income potential for Uber Eats is $500. Also, you can earn tips. Pay is weekly, but for a 50-cent fee, you can ask for a quick cash out. Bonus, you can drive with Uber Driver. This enables you to take passengers to a certain location and make extra money. Number 3. Work for Instacart Shopper. People can manage their shopping demands conveniently by having their groceries delivered. By enabling you to deliver goods, it also presents a side job opportunity where you may make some additional money for the holidays. The biggest grocery delivery app is Instacart Shopper, which is accessible in more than 6,000 cities across the country. You take orders via the platform, visit the relevant supermarket, purchase the food, and then deliver them to consumers. You receive a commission as an Instacart shopper dependent on the volume of the order. Additionally, you keep all of your tips. Shoppers must meet the standard qualifications for delivery gig applications, including the ability to lift up to 30 pounds. Number 2. Fill out online surveys. There are other ways to earn additional money before the holidays besides working a part-time job. You can also complete surveys to earn money to bolster your wallet. Paid surveys are a simple way to get extra money for the holidays. While waiting for an appointment or while watching TV at night, you can do surveys on your phone. Since they don't take very long to complete, it's simple to fill them out whenever you have free time. Number 1. Become a dog walker or pet sitter. There are apps that do more than just deliver food that can be used to supplement your income. If you enjoy taking care of animals, you can board or walk dogs to earn extra money. Dog walkers are often hired by dog owners to take care of their dogs while they are at work. Additionally, You may make more money if you could board pets for their owners while they are away. The Rover Dog Sitting app is a great tool for connecting with clients in your area and finding work nearby. You can make a profile to advertise your experience and look for opportunities. Trusted House Sitters is another option where you can stay at clients' homes and take care of their animals. This way you could have the opportunity to do some traveling as well. Thanks for watching our video. Leave us a comment and let us know what you thought. Please subscribe to our channel so you never miss any of our content. See you in the next epic video.